Have you ever wondered what essential oil is best for hair growth? Or what is the best natural oil for thinning hair? In this video, I will answer these questions that I often get asked, like how to mix essential oils for hair growth and thickness, how to grow hair faster naturally in a week, is there anything that I can do for perimenopause hair loss, or how to limit postpartum hair loss, or how to avoid pregnancy hair loss altogether. I'll show you exactly what you can do naturally. Thinning hair can be miserable. I know exactly how you feel. Let me show you the latest natural solutions for hair growth using essential oils and other natural products. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator, business professional, and ever-learning mother of 6 kids. I teach purpose-driven individuals and families who are looking for safe, natural, and affordable natural solutions. If that's you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now before you get distracted. All right, first, I'll share supplies and essential oils that you need. Second, how to mix those essential oils for hair growth and thickness. And then third, how to use essential oils for hair growth to maximize the effectiveness. How to grow your hair faster naturally in just a week using simple protocols. And make sure to stick around because I have a surprise hair growth tip that is essential for long-term growth success. Okay, so here are the supplies. You need the essential oils of rosemary, cedarwood, clary sage, peppermint, lavender, and I only use certified pure tested grade. You can choose the brand that you want, but I can't guarantee that you'll get the same results. 80 to 90% of essential oils on the market have synthetic markers and are not very potent. So this mixture really only works if the essential oils are pure and highly potent. These essential oils have been scientifically shown to help promote hair growth, whether you're needing this because of hormone changes, aging, genetics, stress, nutritional deficiencies, or any of the other major causes of hair loss. So you'll also need a carrier oil like argan, jojoba, fractionated coconut oil. All of these have their own hair growth benefits. And then you'll need a glass jar with a lid and a dropper bottle. And if you want to make the hair growth spray, then you'll need a 2-ounce spray bottle and witch hazel. Witch hazel also helps with hair loss. That's because it works to increase the blood circulation in the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to those hair follicles, which can stimulate healthy growth. It also reduces inflammation, which is another major cause of hair loss. And I'll link up all of the ingredients and supplies that I use in the description to make it easy for you to get them. And also my discount for 25% off of doTERRA essential oils if you don't already have an essential oil brand that you love and trust. Okay, so let's cover how to mix and use these essential oils for hair growth. First, you want to mix equal parts of each of those essential oils into a bottle. I like using a dropper bottle and then putting the bottle in my bathroom or in my shower. Now, there are multiple ways to use this to get the best and fastest results for hair growth. So first, you'll want to use 4 to 5 drops every day, just neat, straight, right on your scalp, on your dry scalp. Second is using 2 to 4 drops in your shampoo or conditioner. You could use a glass jar and then add some of your shampoo or conditioner and the drops right there. Third is creating the hair growth spray, which is 30 to 40 drops of the mixture in a 2-ounce spray bottle with a teaspoon of witch hazel. Then go ahead and top it off with water. You can spray this mixture on your hair anytime. I like to use it after I wash my hair or kind of as a freshen up day when I'm not shampooing my hair. Before I share the last 2 tips for using essential oils for hair growth, you'll find all of my favorite recipes in my free essential oils guidebook. You can go ahead and download this with more of the recipes for hair and also other uses for essential oils. Fourth, you will want to do this 1 to 2 times a week. Use a teaspoon of carrier oil, put 4 drops of the mixture, and then go ahead and apply it to your wet hair, put over a shower cap, and then put some heat, either a rice pack, blow dry it, and then you will sleep on that and wake up the next morning and wash it. And you're going to start seeing your hair growth plus stronger, healthier hair. But to maximize your results and to keep your hair continuing to grow, you have to make sure that you're getting the proper nutrients at all stages of life. So lack of nutrients is the main cause of hair loss, not some genetic predisposition. I'm going to highlight what I've used, and this is in combination with the essential oils, and this is a real game changer for your hair growth. So I use something called Lifelong Vitality because of nutritional deficiencies. Most people are deficient in vitamins and minerals. So 43% of people are deficient in vitamin C, which helps with growth and repair and helps your body produce collagen, which is what makes up your skin, your hair, your cartilage, ligaments, and blood vessels. Vitamin E, 94% deficient. Magnesium, 61% deficient. Vitamin A, 57% deficient. You have weaker hair, more prone to breakage, helps with hydration. Vitamin D, 95% of people are deficient. They're not getting enough sun exposure. And this plays a role in the creation of new hair follicles. New hair follicles may help maintain thickness and prevent existing hair from falling out prematurely. I use something called Metapower Collagen. We produce less and less collagen as we age, so it increases your hair building proteins if you get enough collagen. Also, getting your probiotics, because your gut health plays a role in your hair. For instance, we create vitamin C, we synthesize it if we have a good, healthy gut. Vitamin K helps hair growth by aiding scalp health. It provides a conducive environment for hair growth by maintaining scalp health. The primary role of vitamin K is to boost blood circulation and supply essential nutrients to hair follicles, which facilitates hair growth. You can watch this wellness workshop replay or join me live online for my free weekly natural solutions workshop if you want to learn more. You'll learn how to get the vitamins, minerals, collagen, and the gut health that you need to foster long-term hair growth and overall wellness. And remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up.